Okay, so this is the second half of the video because the first video I messed up, so I had to cut it. And so here we go for the next part. So we have already gone through the Song of the Month. We have gone through marching together, and then we did our Stinky Pirate song. And now, after we finish the Stinky Pirates rhythms, we come to this slide. It's called My Rhythm Pattern. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the cards that we sent home and make sure those are cut out. And you're going to need 4 of those cards today. You're going to use 4 of those cards to write your very own rhythm pattern. So I went ahead and put mine on a little board so I could hold it up to show you. But mine says ti-ti-ta, ti-ti-ta. But you can make yours anything you want to. You just need to do 4 cards and lay them out on the table and put them together like these are close together. And then you're going to practice reading those rhythms by pointing and reading to the beat. So here's beat, 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 ti-ti-ta, 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 ti-ti-ta. And the next step would be to listen to the music, one of the songs that we listened to earlier in the day or in the movie. And you're going to play the song and then say your rhythm at the same time. So while the song is going, find the steady beat to that song and then start saying your rhythm. Ti-ti-ta, ti-ti-ta. And that's a whole nother level. But for today, we want to make sure we're writing our rhythm, use 4 cards. And then what I'd like you to do is take your iPad and hold it up. And my screen looks different than yours does because I'm recording something already. But yours will have a record button right here. And you'll click record and then make sure that your rhythm pattern, that I can see all 4 cards of your rhythm pattern down on the table. So just take your iPad and make a little recording of your rhythm pattern. You're going to click record and you'll click that same button again. It'll say stop. And then there's a little green button that'll come up right down here that'll say submit. As a little, well, I don't know if the button is green, but I think the words are green. But it says submit. Starts with a sound. So S for submit. And so you'll click that button and then it'll come to me and then you are done for this week. So there's a couple of extra things on here, like the movement video to learn the movements to go along with the Stinky Pirate song. And I think, yes, I put bingo on here too. But those are extra things. So if you will go through the first part of the video, and then make sure you do your rhythm, record your rhythm and send that to me, and then you'll be done for the week. I hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.